Hi students, very most important topic, that is organic named reactions. Organic named reactions. First one, that is first named reaction, that is Wurtz reaction student. Wurtz reaction. What is Wurtz reaction students? When alkyl halide react with, when alkyl halide, that is alkyl halide means that is RX. When alkyl halide react with, when alkyl halide react with sodium metal in the presence of dry ether, in the presence of dry ether, we get that is alkane plus sodium halide will be formed. In this reaction students, we should take the 2 moles of alkyl halide and 2 moles of sodium. In the presence of dry ether, we get that is alkanes and sodium halide. So, these are the, this alkane is the main productions. Now, take the example for alkyl halide means what is alkyl groups means. R means what student, that is alkyl group, that is alkyl means that is methyl or ethyl or propyl, like that. X means what are the X means student, that is X means halogen, that is fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, any halogen, we should take any halogen. Now, take the example for Wurtz reaction students. Now, take the example when methyl chloride CH3Cl react with sodium metal. We should take the here 2 moles of sodium student, and we should take the 2 moles of methyl chloride. In the presence of dry ether, in the presence of dry ether, we get that is ethane will be formed, CH3 single bond CH3 plus 2 NaCl is liberated, 2 NaCl will be formed. This is ethane product, this is the product name is called ethane student. In this reaction students, here 2 moles of here 1 chlorine from here, 1 chlorine from here, 2 chlorines and 2 moles of sodium student. These 2 NaCl is elimination student, 2 NaCl is elimination, and remaining one CH3 group here student, this CH3 will combines with this CH3 group, we get that is CH3 single bond CH3, ethane will be formed. Simply remember, so here take the 2 moles of sodium and 2 moles of chlorine, 1 chlorine from here, 1 chlorine from here, 2 NaCl is elimination, we get that is ethane will be formed student. This is the simple trick student, Wurtz reaction student. Now, take the one more example for Wurtz reaction student. If you take the ethane molecule student, ethane, sorry, ethyl chloride, when ethyl chloride react with 2 moles of sodium in the presence of dry ether, in the presence of dry ether, here take the, we should take the 2 moles of ethyl chloride students, we get that is product is butane will be formed, CH3 single bond CH2, then CH2, then CH3 plus 2 NaCl will be formed. This is the main production. So, in this reaction student, here 2 NaCl is elimination student, here take the 2 moles of ethyl chloride, 2 moles of ethyl chloride react with 2 moles of sodium, we get that is N-butane will be formed, that product is N-butane. Why? Because of this left hand side here total 4 carbons are there student, here 1, 2 plus 1, 2 carbons are there, 2 into 2 4 carbons are there student, left hand side 4 carbons are there student, and right side also 4 carbon production, that is N-butane will be formed. In this reaction NaCl is elimination, we get 2 NaCl elimination, remaining here these 2 methyl, these 2 ethyl groups will combine to form N-butane will be formed. So, this is the simple trick student. In this Wurtz reaction student, free radical mechanism is involved. In this Wurtz reaction, free radical mechanism, in this Wurtz reaction free radical mechanism is involved. So, it is very most important student. In this reaction free radical substitution reaction is involved, but according to the Wurtz reaction students, methane cannot be prepared. It is very most important point student. Methane cannot be prepared, methane cannot be prepared, methane cannot be prepared from Wurtz reaction. It is very most important student. Methane cannot be prepared student, methane cannot be prepared from Wurtz reaction. And one more point student, that is methane and one more point student, and tertiary alkyl halides, tertiary alkyl halides, tertiary alkyl halides are do not involve in this Wurtz reaction. In this Wurtz reaction, it is very most important point students. tertiary alkyl halides are do not involve in this Wurtz reaction, but only in this Wurtz reaction involve only primary alkyl halide and secondary alkyl halides only involved. Primary alkyl halide and secondary alkyl halides only involved in this Wurtz reaction, but tertiary alkyl halides are does not involve in this Wurtz reaction. This is the very most important student. In this reaction, free radical mechanism all involved student, and this is the simple trick for Wurtz reaction student. Now next one student, that is fitting reaction student. Next named reaction student, that is fitting reaction. The next named reaction, that is fitting reaction. It is also very most important named reaction student. In this Wurtz reaction, how many moles of alkyl halide involved student? Here 2 moles of alkyl halide. This in this Wurtz reaction only aliphatic compounds are involved student, but in this fitting reaction only aromatic halide, that is aryl halides are involved, that is aryl halides are involved. That is example student, that is when chlorobenzene student, when chlorobenzene react with sodium metal. Here also same thing student, here 2 moles of chlorobenzene involved in the presence of dry ether. In the presence of dry ether, we get that is product is biphenyl will be formed, that is biphenyl or diphenyl will be formed, that is biphenyl will be formed, that is biphenyl plus 2NaCl. This is the very most important student. In fitting reaction, here aryl halide, that is chlorobenzene, here take the 2 moles of chlorobenzene. What happens to that is 2NaCl is elimination state, 2NaCl is elimination state, 2NaCl elimination state, we get that is biphenyl, product is biphenyl will be formed. This is the production. In this fitting reaction only aryl halides are involved, aryl halides. In Wurtz reaction only, that is alkyl halide. In this Wurtz reaction alkyl halides are involved, but in fitting reaction only aryl halide, that is chlorobenzene. This is the chlorobenzene student. This is the very most important student. Fitting reaction and Wurtz reaction, what is the difference students? In Wurtz reaction only alkyl halide means that is methyl, alkyl means methyl, ethyl, propyl, like that. Halide means halogen. But in fitting reaction only aryl group, that is aryl group means only aromatic compounds like chlorobenzene, bromobenzene, like that student. In this reaction, in fitting reaction only chlorobenzene, when chlorobenzene react with sodium metal in the presence of dry ether, we get biphenyl will be formed. So this is the fitting reaction student. Now third named reaction student, that is when third, next one second student. Now third named reaction, that is Wurtz fitting reaction students. Wurtz fitting reaction, it is also very most important named reaction student, Wurtz fitting reaction. So you remember student, what is Wurtz reaction student? In this Wurtz reaction only alkyl halides are involved, and in fitting reaction only aryl halides are involved. But in this reaction, these both are involved only 2 moles students, 2 moles of alkyl halide and 2 moles of aryl halide. But in this Wurtz reaction, in this Wurtz fitting reaction student, 1 mole of alkyl group, you remember student, is very most important student. Wurtz and fitting, here 2 combinations student, one is Wurtz reaction, one is Wurtz, another one is fitting reaction. So Wurtz reaction, what should we take student? That is in Wurtz reaction when alkyl halide example, that is methyl chloride react, when methyl chloride react with sodium metal plus, in Wurtz reaction we should take the alkyl halide, in fitting reaction we should take the aryl halide. Aryl halide means what is student, that is aryl halide, that is chlorobenzene. Aryl halide, that is chlorobenzene students. In the presence of dry ether, we get that is alkyl benzene, that is methyl benzene will be formed, methyl benzene plus 2NaCl. This is the very most important student. So in this Wurtz fitting reaction student, we should take the 1 mole of alkyl group and 1 mole of aryl halide. That is 1 mole of alkyl halide and 1 mole of aryl halide. Alkyl halide example student, that is CH3Cl, aryl halide, that is chlorobenzene. So what happens student in this reaction student? Here 2 NaCl is elimination, this 2 NaCl, this 2 NaCl is elimination. We get that is this methyl free radical, this methyl free radical combines with this phenyl free radical, we get that is methyl benzene will be formed, methyl benzene plus NaCl will be formed. So, this is the main production, this is the main production. In this reaction students, that is Urji reaction and Fittig reaction. In Urji reaction only alkyl halides are involved students. In Fittig reaction only aryl halides are involved students. In Urji-Fittig reaction both are involved, that is 1 mole of alkyl halide and 1 mole of aryl halides are both are involved in this reaction. When alkyl halide and aryl halides are react with sodium metal in the presence of dry ether, we get that is we get that is methyl benzene will be formed. This is the simple reaction, that is Urji reaction, Fittig reaction, Urji-Fittig reaction. These three reactions are belongs to free radical reaction students, free radical substitution reaction students. In this reaction free radical mechanism is involved students. These three reactions are belongs to free radical substitution reaction students. Now next one student, one more named reaction student, that is Ullmann reaction student, that is Ullmann reaction, that is Ullmann reaction student, Ullmann reaction. Next named reaction, that is